Mesdames et messieurs, c'est ça, nos prochains Olympiens, possiblement pour les Olympiques de 2010. Applaudissez-le. Applaudissez. So, the athletes which are eligible for this are athletes with physical disabilities that prevent regular ice skating. J'aimerais vous rappeler, watch them go at it. Mesdames et messieurs, encourageons-les et regardons-les. I told you I've been at Target all day. Alors, bonne chance les gars. Let's wish them good luck and let's watch them go for a bit. I remember you saying that Michelle is the youngest one here, right? And she's been skating since when? She's been skating since she was 4. She's now 10. It's really not. So there's that.
Freestyle Olympic team, Ryan Johnson, everybody. Put your hands together, let's go! This man has represented our country twice in Olympic competition. Yeah, he just did a backflip, everyone ever just... Come on, let's make some noise for this man!